any student and the ثانوية عامة in Egypt, they have to go and to have their exams. So with strict precautionary measures, health measures, and secured also by the Ministry of Interior Ministry. How do you see the precautionary measures that is taken by in coordination between the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Health?
Okay, it's a very important day. We are looking from the view or the point of view that it's a highly intensive contact, social contact day. Intensive social contact day. Is it dangerous? Before we answering this question, let's brief what we have about the virus. First, when we are talking about the virus, we are talking about SARS-CoV-2. When we are talking about the disease, so we are calling it novel COVID-19. Forget about the virus now. Let's talk about what the update of the disease. Actually, before COVID-19 or novel COVID-19, we had a lot of theories about virology. Most of it has collapsed. We have now a new theory or a group of theories of virology. Let's talk about the initial observation. Standardly, if we have a virus or a viral infection, we have some picture called CDC or the blood picture. We are standardizing for the viral infection. COVID-19 has explored this old theory. Now we are talking about lymphocytopenia instead of lymphocytosis. Now we are talking about elevated ferritin. Now we are talking about elevated free iron. What's happening? The third observation have taken us to the direction of its gene-linked virus or viral infection. What's this observation? These observations are first, in severe cases, 65% of mortality cases are males. Females are more immune? Maybe. Blood group A is more susceptible for severe infection or severe symptoms. Is it that way of immunity? Blood group O is more immune. What's happening? We observed that it's a genetic direction we are going, and it's not standard respiratory syndrome. It's a blood syndrome. So we're having now a new theory. It's a gene-linked viral infection. What it means? It means that when you are genetically typical to this viral infection, you will have cells that have receptors. The receptors are chemical moieties that virus is relating to it. We have receptors on the cell level or cell wall. One person is different from one for other person genetically, so some people will have more receptors than others. If we have talking about one susceptible person that's having thousands of receptors, he will have severe symptoms. Let's seize down, if the cell having hundreds of receptors, it will be less. Yes. Tens of receptors, yes. It will be less. So it is genetic.